Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking bank account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So now let's say that you have balance in your PayPal, and you want to send money to another PayPal account, or to one of your friends that has PayPal, for example. What you should do first is to simply open PayPal and log in into your account. And as you can see right here, I have the home page and I have sufficient money. So what you can do right now, you can simply click on Send. After that, we'll show you this search bar. And now you have to search for anyone that you want to send the money. And now you have these two options. You can send him by United States dollars, and he can receive it by euro because he has only the euro balance. So now you can simply type any number that you want. Let's say that I'm going to send this amount, for example. Then you can simply click on Next. And after that, you can simply complete all the steps. It's very easy and simple, but this is only when you have sufficient amount of balance. Let's say that you do not have balance anymore. Let's say that you have zero money on your account. What you should do right now is to simply go back and click on Send. But in this time, you will now go to Request. In the previous last time, we were in the Send partition. Now we're going to click on Request partition. And what I'm going to do right now is to simply ask a payment from someone. But I'm going to ask it through using my email or Gmail, for example. So what I'm going to type right here is I'm going to type my email address. But it should make sure that this email isn't connected to your PayPal. Then click on Next. And now you should type the amount of money that you want to send to another PayPal. So I'm going to type this much, for example. Then I'm going to click on Request a Payment. Now it will send me a request to this email right here. Now you should open your email. And now, as you can see, when I open my Gmail, I'll see this message right here. Now I should click on Pay Now. Then what you're going to do right now is to simply click on Pay without a PayPal account. Then you should now choose one of your bank cards in order to add balance and send this email. So that's basically how you can send money from PayPal to PayPal without linking bank account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.